Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. Today I want to go over some hidden features on the Alcatel 7. The first one is going to be a really cool feature that you are seeing on a lot of the really high-end flagship phones that you don't normally see on a phone in this price range, but it's kind of cool that you get it with this phone. And this feature is called facial recognition. So you can basically program your face to unlock your phone. You're going to hit the power button, it will read your face, and it will automatically unlock the phone for you. Now I use this feature with my Samsung Galaxy S9. I've also used it on the LG Stylo 4. And it's a very convenient feature. Just there's times where you're in the car, for example, and your phone locks. You don't have to reach your finger around and hit the fingerprint scanner where it's not always an easy angle. You just simply hit the power button, then the phone will read your face and it will automatically unlock. So definitely a cool feature. I know a lot of times when people buy this phone, whatever store you're at, they bypass the setup to test the phone, and so people don't end up knowing that they have this feature. So that's why I wanted to include it in the hidden features, even though it's technically it's not a hidden feature. It's just one that a lot of people don't even know that is on the phone. So there's that. Our next hidden feature is going to be the ability to use your phone as a remote for your TV. Haha, that's right. If we go to our app drawer, we're going to go to Closer TV, which is a cool app that I've only seen on Alcatel phones. So kind of cool. Bottom right, there is a remote button. And basically you can set up this app to work with your to work with your TV at home. So all you do is follow the remote settings, and you can then use this to turn your TV on and off, control the volume, and do other things like that. So this is a feature that a lot of the old Samsung phones used to have, and everybody loved it, but for some reason they took it off. So kudos to Alcatel for adding this feature in, because it's very convenient when you can't find your remote. It's okay. Most of the time you can find your phone, and imagine how easy it is to just the phone that you're already on and using, just switch over to this app and be able to make a move for your TV. So there's that. That is one of our hidden features there. Our next one, we're gonna go back into Closer TV. So this app is really cool. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of it. I, to be honest, had not heard of it until I had played around with this phone, but it's a really cool app that basically brings together all of your different video and streaming services into one app. So you basically sign in to your Netflix, your Hulu, your Crackle, all your different video apps, and you can use this one app to sort of search all of those apps and help you find content and different things to watch. So that's kind of my short answer of what this does. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It'll have a detailed video from Alcatel that basically explains all that you can do with Closer TV. But again, one of the best things is just bringing together all of your video apps. So you don't have to open Hulu and then open Netflix and then open this and open that. It'll bring all that content together. You'll be able to search it in this one app and then watch it on that beautiful 7-inch screen. So that is our third hidden feature. Make sure you watch that video in the description, and it will give you a full snapshot of all you can do with Closer TV. Our next hidden feature is going to be in the camera app. And it's a really cool feature that I use. It's not a feature that everybody uses, but I wanted to highlight it because I know I use this a lot. And if you tap here, you'll see your different camera modes, and it's basically being able to record a slow-mo video. So this is great for like when you have kids who are playing sports, or you know, you're with your friends and you're messing around and you just want to capture it and create a cool video around it. You do have that slow-mo video function there that will allow you to, you know, capture those fast moments and then slow it down and, you know, make it look more dramatic. So definitely wanted to highlight that. Our last hidden feature is going to be a shortcut to launch your camera super fast. Maybe something really good has happened and you don't want to have to unlock your phone and go to apps and go to camera. What if you could just hit one button and it would launch the camera for you? Well, that is the power button right here. Just hit it twice. It will automatically wake up your phone and launch the camera. And then remember, we use our fingerprint or our finger here to take the picture. We went over that in the tips and tricks video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check out that one as well. But so if your phone is off, double tap power button, it'll unlock, go to the camera. It also works if you're in another app as well. So let's say you're in, you know, Chrome, you're searching something and something hilarious happens. Hit it twice, it'll automatically switch to your camera for you. So that is just the quick launch camera, and that's one feature I use a ton, so I wanted to make sure you guys knew about it as well. I hope you guys did find this helpful. Do me a favor, in the comment section, tell me your thoughts on the video. Did you learn something new, or did you know about all these hidden features and then weren't we hitting you? I'd love to hear your feedback. And specifically, if there's one that you like the best, definitely leave that in your comment as well. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.